What is goal seek in Excel? Technically, goal seek is a process of calculating a value by performing what-if analysis on a given set of values. For our purposes, Excel's goal seek feature lets you adjust a value used in a formula to achieve a specific goal. Or, put another way, goal seek determines input values needed to achieve a specific goal. Suppose we have received some amount from a customer. He paid $1,800 and says it is his full payment. He would not pay more than this and he need 94 pieces same like this as shown in Excel sheet. He says make some changes in your product price and issue him invoice for the same amount $1,800. Manually we can make changes in the price of any product, but it can be very time-consuming to get the exact figure on few clicks. For this purpose we will use Goal Seek option of Excel. Just press cursor inside the cell where you want to get the goal seek value, for exact value, and from menu bar select Data. Under Data, select What-if Analysis. Under What-if Analysis there is option Goal Seek option. Select that option. You will get a box like this. In first cell you will get cell reference where you have placed cursor, so no need to change this reference. In second cell mention the goal value. Here, as our goal is 1,800, we have to mention this in that second cell. And last third cell select the cell reference at the price of which product you want to change automatically with this goal seek option. After selection of this option, just press OK. You will get your desired results. You can see Goal Seek option has made automatically changes in the cell C5 to get the end results of 1,800. Goal Seek option is very useful option of the Excel to get quick results in an easy way. Now if we want to get 1,900 as goal, check this again. Thanks for watching.